Hello and welcome to Honey Hole Angling. Today I am fishing with Tyler and Landon on the Guadalupe River in Central Texas. Please like and subscribe, or whatever you want, it's free country. But yeah, hopefully we see some ducks, fish. We'll see how this goes. All right, how do I turn this off? On my rowing technique. I told y'all it works.
On the zigzag.
It looks like a little sunny. You need the net.
Look at that fish.
I don't know, you get a little guad.
Guide Cliff. Nice work, buddy.
First successful guided trip.
Hold him up, Tyler.
Is it a guad or a largemouth? That looks like a largemouth almost.
Ooh. Nice.
We baptized God in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Look at you go, Tyler! I've been told that I have the body of a god. It might be Buddha, but it's all about confidence, boys.
Straight. Turn it straight. You got it. Turn it straight. You got it. You got it. You got it. Nice. Close enough. Attaboy, Cliff. Back row, Cliff. Back row, back row, back row.
Thanks, Tyler.
I'll just go forward and we'll swing around.
That's what I was trying to do since they were clogging up that whole other area.
Thanks to everyone for watching our video of our float down the Guadalupe. It's a quick one. Unfortunately, lost a lot of footage that wasn't usable because I had the wrong camera settings on. So we got a quick short video for you today. Tyler is actually a guide for a fly shop in our area called Real Fly. And if you guys want to book a trip with him, trout fishing on the Guadalupe River or bass trip, give them a call. Put the information down in the description below. He's a great guy. We also recorded a podcast with him. I'll link that in the description below as well. It's from about a year ago, but it's a really good one. And so I hope you guys enjoy that. And if you like this content, we have our podcast and we have blog posts on our blog, and that'll all be linked below as well if y'all want to check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all out on the water.